Italian Technology for India is an initiative what Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce as well as Embassy of Italy started last year. Started with Delhi and then came to Pune, and this time the second edition is going to happen in Pune from 5th and 6th of April, and we are having with us Claudio Maffioletti, the CEO and Director General of Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce, and we are also joining with Veronica Just, who is the Vice President of MILLUTENSIL, Italy. Actually, this initiative started last year, but you were working for bringing the Italian and Indian technology for actually so many years, like say 4 years, and COVID you did some of the wonderful work. So how you find this momentum and how Italian tech in India is going to 2024, what we can witness?
So we launched the Italian tech in India last year, considering that everyone knows that Italy is a lifestyle brands country, fashion, in furniture, in food and wine, in vehicles and bikes and cars, but very few people know that Italy is one big manufacturing country, second in Europe, fourth or fifth worldwide, and the presence of Italian companies in India in the manufacturing sector is particularly high. Out of 750 Italian companies that have made a presence in India, almost 40% are in the manufacturing sector. So this is the premise that pushed us to launch this event. It's a display of Italian technologies manufactured in India by Italian companies. The payoff line could be made in India by Italy or make in India with Italy, if you please. Precisely to give visibility and to let our Indian friends understand how much Italy is bringing in and how much Italy can bring more in the Indian market as far as manufacturing is concerned. The exhibition is structured in 4 macro areas. One is automotive and auto components. The second one is machinery and equipment. Third one is the entire agro-industry value chain, so from tractors to food packaging and food processing, and the fourth one is dedicated to engineering for the construction, infrastructure and power industries. The novelty of this year, that's the second edition, is that within Italian Tech in India, we are going to organize also another flagship event of the Chamber, which is called the Impresa Awards, which is a recognition of the best performances achieved by members of the Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce in 3 areas: innovation and industry 4/5.0, environmental sustainability and corporate social responsibility. So we are very excited to have a bigger and more engaging Italian Tech in India in 2024 in Pune, and we are looking forward to have as many people and exhibitors as possible.
I think you also have organized some technical conferences, I think, which can help startups, scale-ups, as well as the technology transfers, so the students which can go to Italy and study. I think I heard a lot of plans are there.
So our engagement as far as promoting a further integration between the Indian and Italian economies, not just related to trade, but also cross-border investments. Now more and more Indian companies investing in Italy. And mobility of people is at the core of our mission. So yes, we will be organizing this evening an event dedicated to investor visa, startup and scale-up visas. We have initiated a collaboration with Lombardy region, which is the powerhouse of Italian economy. And Lombardy region, along with Italy as a whole, they have a set of very interesting incentives for not only for startups and scale-ups, but for Indian and foreign investors in general.
I wish you all the very best.
Thank you very much.
So as we have Veronica Just, she is the Vice President of MILLUTENSIL, and she is helping many Indian tool rooms, mold makers to make their products more stronger. So what do you think, how Italy can empower Indian manufacturing?
Yes. At first I would like to say that I am also in the board of the Machine Tool Italian Association, that is the UCCIMO. And I would like to tell you that in Italy you can find many companies that can help you in the process. They can help you to understand how to improve your process and with technology, innovation, and also the Italian machine tool is able and capable to find the solution that are many times tailor-made according to the special needs of the customer. Italy has a great creativity, has the capacity to analyze the needs of the customer in any sectors, from automotive, white industry, electronics, infrastructure, and all the other sector, medical, and every kind of sector that you can imagine, and can support you to find innovative, very interesting and technology that can support you in your processes.
Once again, thank you for your time, and I wish IICCI and Embassy of Italy in India all the very best for Italian tech in India. And we at Machine Maker is very proud to be associated with this initiative, and let's make Indian manufacturing more stronger. Thank you.
Great cooperation. Thank you.